Hey everyone, Luxlive Property Group once again comes to you with this stunning 2-bed 2-bathroom bottom unit in Honeydew. It's available for rental from about 1st of December, but I'll have to confirm with you on that. I can't wait for you to do the walkthrough with me. If you are in the area and looking for a place to stay, hit me up, check on our socials, check on Instagram, check on YouTube. Let me know what you think of the unit. Let's do it. So the unit is a bottom unit and has a stunning low maintenance garden. Have a look at that beautiful rose bush over there. And you've got your patio. Since it's a stack, you do obviously have someone above you. And you can comfortably fit a 4-seater or 6-seater outside set. And as you walk through the front door, you arrive into this open plan kitchen and living area. And let's move over to the kitchen. You've got your breakfast nook over here. Plenty of surface space in the kitchen. You've got space for a refrigerator, single refrigerator. You've got space for one appliance. You've got a 4-burner gas stove over there, and you've got your microwave. There is also another door that leads out to the outside of the complex, where you have stunning views of the green belt in the complex. Look at that. Love how green it is. Then going back into the house, we are going to move over to the bedroom. Love the flow of this apartment because from the room you move straight into the living area, and this then becomes our bedroom. This is bedroom number 1. You've got our built-in cupboards, got that nice large window letting in lots and lots of light, and they've put in a queen bed in here. And there's a lovely large mirror on the wall, full-length mirror, and the floor is carpeted. And this then flows into the bathroom, which is a full ensuite bathroom. You've got your shower, and you've got your basin, and you've got your toilet and your bath over there with a hand shower. And moving on into the second bedroom, so you've got the living and kitchen area separating the 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So having a look at bedroom number 2, also carpet on the floor, also that nice big window looking out into the garden and letting in lots and lots of light. And in here they've fitted a double bed, and they've put in a pedestal, and you've got your built-in cupboards over here as well. I love the sizes of the cupboards, quite spacious. And then you've got bathroom number 2 as well, which is comprised only of a bath. So you've got your basin over here, and you've got your toilet, and then you've got your bath over there. And that is our house. Look out for it on our social media. Look out for the listing where you can get more details. And thank you for watching.